When a tooth is missing, a dental implant with a crown is an excellent treatment for replacing it. Although each case will be different, placing an implant generally involves several phases. First, we numb the area to make you comfortable. An opening is made in your gums, and then a channel is shaped in the bone to receive the implant. Next, we place the body of the implant into the prepared channel. Sometimes a cover is placed onto the implant and the gums are stitched closed. In other cases, an extension is attached to the implant. Healing may take several months as the implant becomes securely fused to the bone. During this time, we may place a temporary replacement tooth. The next phase includes a series of appointments to fabricate your final restoration. Situations vary, but they usually include removing any temporary and making impressions of your mouth. The lab uses the impressions to make an accurate model of your mouth, including the implant. They'll use the model to create a crown that precisely fits the implant and your bite. When it's ready, we'll check the fit and your bite, and then secure your beautiful final crown. An implant has several advantages. The implant stops the bone loss that occurs when a tooth is lost, and it prevents the surrounding teeth from shifting into the space. And unlike replacing the tooth with a traditional bridge, there's no need to reduce neighboring teeth. With proper home care and regular checkups, your implant can be a long-term solution for a long-lasting, natural-looking smile.